No floundering about. Looking at this week's episode, folks. Weatherman wasn't quite right. It's a bit choppy. Down here it looks pretty deep though. We're getting bored with the flathead, so we thought we'd have a crack for some salmon. Let's go. It looks better down here than what it does up there. No dead animals, which is good. Looks like prime salmon territory. Look at that! Hey? That's a beach sweep, mate. Hey? I reckon that's the first time I've ever seen this sweep caught off the beach.
He can go in the bag.
Oh, he double hooked him, man. Fucking hell.
He was hungry.
It's a nice sweep, folks, that Johnny's just landed. Off the beach. That's the first time I've seen a sweep caught off the beach. Mate, this guy's just a f***ing bully today.
Ready?
I went and fetched him water.
Have a look at this side. Yeah, but look.
He just wants to f***ing bully me.
Look.
He just bends it.
Yeah. Well, fucking there you go.
Mate, I just went and got you water, you and now you're just going mode on me, eh? Eh?
I'm just being realistic, mate.
Fucking realistic, fucking aggro and fucking unetiqueted. Nah, missed him. It was a good whack. Oh, nibble, nibble, nibble. I got him.
See what Adrian's got, eh?
I got here. Another sweep. Man, they're decent sized. Yep.
Another baby. Bit small, he can go back. Mate, big dog. Hey. Answer the fish, mate.
Right, so we've had no luck with the salmon. I thought there would have been some salmon here at first light, but because we're moving into a low tide, that they must be scattered out and about in the deep. So we're just throwing the line in here with a bit of bait, and there seems to be sweep hanging around. So bit of fun. Hopefully the salmon will move in when the tide turns. Oh, get some good hits. That's a good fish. Probably another sweep, but yeah, not putting up much of a fight. Swimming straight towards me again. Yeah. Just a little fella. What the hell have I got here? Dirty old rockfish, mate. Dirty old rockfish. Wap, 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 wap.
Hold it up. Hold it up. You little dog. On the baby. That's something a bit bigger. Or it's coming in sideways. Might be salmon. Another sweet. About the same size. Just felt. Oh no. He's bigger.
Something a bit better than those little mullet. I think the salmon have arrived. Oh, nice rock there to lose him on. I suspected the salmon might arrive, but not really the size we want.
Half decent salmon. Not the size I want, but not terrible. Dinner size.
Oh wow, that's sick. Righto folks, it's lunchtime. We just stopped for a break. Johnny's having a nap. We had a bit of a unsuccessful morning. A few salmon about, we got a heap of sweet. Nothing too exciting. It's middle of the day and it's all sunny, so the fish are kind of switched off. Just seen some sand patches as we're driving along. I'm gonna throw some bait in there, see if there's any fish about. Got a lure as well. See if there's any salmon on top. We were hoping for some salmon. Hasn't really worked out for us, so that's the game, isn't it? But I don't mind doing these things where you just pull over to the side of the road, throw a line in and see what happens. Sometimes you find a nice new spot that no one else knows about. But those flathead videos that we've done recently, that was a random spot on the side of the road. Johnny said let's try here, so we did, and it's paid off. See, just down there, there's just some sand patches there. All around there was too rough. Just death rocks everywhere. You get one rogue wave and it's see you later. Different beach. Wow. Just watch out for snakes when you're around these areas. There's a few taipans that are deadly as hell that hang out here. One nip on the ankle and you're probably a goner. No hospitals out here. Nice looking sand patches. Let's have a go. First cast, going straight into the rocks around the corner. Mate, double salmon. First cast, folks. He's got a double header. Double header. Not the biggest, but it felt good because there's two of them. You see that, folks? We just pulled over and said let's have a go here, and that's what happens. Hey, we don't flounder about here, folks. We're just straight into it. Some people doubt the Catch and FA crew, but Proof's in the pudding, mate. Proof's in the pudding. Johnny's got a fish. Here he goes. What's he gonna do? There he goes. Big dogs, mate. No floundering about. Hey? Look at that one, folks. Johnny knows what he's doing. Sweet. That's a decent sweep, eh? Red. What is that? Red mullet. Wow. Red mullet, folks. They usually hang around whiting. They're there. Come on. I got him. Yes. Oh. Come on. It's not a bad one. Not as big as what we'd like them.
Baby salmon, mate. Alright guys, just caught a few more fish. Come back to the car for a bit of refreshments, maybe cook a couple snags and we'll go find another spot. Slowly running out of sunlight, so we'll see how we go.
How's that, folks? I just saw that in the shallows there. How's that? It's a snook. Wow. That's a nice snook. Snook, mate. It's a nice snook, folks. Check that out, folks. Awesome snook.
Not what I wanted to get bloody hooked up on, mate. Look at him go. Mate, stop it. Yep. Yep. Snap me off the dog. It's trying to tighten that drag. Trying to tighten the drag, mate. Trying to tighten the drag.